Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying where your account currently connects and why you want to change it. Check the in-game ping and server name on the main menu so you have a baseline. Next, sign into your Riot account page and confirm the country or region tied to purchases and authentication. Once done, fully log out of Valorant and ensure the Riot client is updated. This prevents mismatches. These steps avoid needless retries and set you up to make a proper, trackable change. Now you perform the actual change using available safe methods. If your Riot client shows a region selector at login, choose the target region and relaunch. This primarily affects matchmaking and points. If no selector exists, you can test connectivity through a trustworthy VPN to see ping differences, but make sure you understand account and TS risks. Do not use VPN for ranked play. If your account is locked to a region, prepare a Riot support request explaining why you need it. Finish by confirming the change in-game and validating matchmaking behavior. Relaunch Valorant, observe the server name and ping, and queue a low-stakes match to verify stability. If you encounter high ping, packet loss, or connection errors, flush your DNS, restart your router, and temporarily disable firewall/antivirus to test. These fixes often resolve routing issues. If the region remains unchanged, or you need an official transfer, open a Riot support ticket including your account ID, timestamps, and a clear reason so they can process a region move.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.